chef hats, little hands, and some delicious food. Get ready to eat well.
Hi, this is Chef Ajay Chopra and you are at the Westin Mumbai Garden City. Today is this beautiful Sunday morning. We are expecting some young chefs, some really full of excitement chefs who are going to come and cook with me.
As part of the well-being movement, Westin Mumbai decided to do something special for kids.
आज वेस्टिन मुंबई गार्डन सिटी एक प्रोग्राम लॉन्च कर रहा है जिसका नाम है वेस्टिन वेलबींग मोमेंट.
Westin stands for wellness. Westin is all about giving that extra bit in your life, giving that extra space, time, and also all that energy that a person deserves and needs. So we start young, right from the kids to all the adults. We have different programs which define these wellness initiatives.
So Westin Wellbeing has got 6 pillars of wellness, which includes play well, sleep well,
Eat well,
be well,
move well.
and feel well. Now, all of these parameters actually contain everything to do with each and every guest's stay.
Parents, along with their tiny tots, were super anxious and excited to find out what was in store for them.
We are expecting some young chefs who are going to come and cook with me. They are not older than 12 years. I am literally looking forward to it because cooking with children is just another fun altogether. They are innocent, they are naive, but they just want to live the moment and they want to eat lots of good food. They are full of energy and that energy I want. So I'm looking forward to it.
Chef Ajay थे बिल्कुल ready. Having fun and cooking something healthy was his ultimate goal.
All the people wearing pink will be called strawberries. So all the strawberries stand up. The strawberries will all sit here, okay? Then we have the blues. The blues come this side. So the blues will be called as blueberries. So today we are going to learn a quick tiffin dish. Come this side.
And the blueberries and strawberries were off, और मेन्यू पे थे some healthy tiffin recipes.
All right, let's do the sandwich now very quickly. So I'm going to use this long slice of bread. Okay? Butterfruit. So I have got some avocado which is chopped. You want to just smear some mayonnaise on top of it. Smear half. Some avocados here. Little pinches of salt. Let's put some cheese. Okay, you put the cheese. I'm just going to cut off the sides of the bread. Yes. Now this has to be in the fridge for about half an hour.
Parents के चेहरों पर थी एक मुस्कान, seeing their little master chefs in action.
So all of them come together, right? The pumpkin, the cinnamon, the onions.
After an hour of pouring, mixing and filling, these little chefs had certainly learned a lot from Chef Ajay.
All right, come on in. Give me your pies. We want to bake the pie. Okay, strawberries and blueberries, give yourself a big clap.
तो पूछते हैं नन्हे शेफ से, did they enjoy cooking?
Hello, my name is Natasha. I made sandwich and juice. Yeah. I made a sandwich, some orange juice and pie. Yeah. I made some pancakes. I forgot what it was.
Oh, was it a pie?
Pie, yeah.
बहुत मज़ा आया. सारे बच्चों को हमने साथ में मिलकर सिखाया भी, मज़ा भी किया, खाना भी खाया. I think it was just amazing time spent with them, and I'm sure that whilst they had those dishes, their moms and dads will also realize the goodness of superfoods. Their moms and dads will also realize the goodness of healthy eating.
From kids to their parents, what's their take on healthy eating habits for their little ones?
The session by Western was very good because it encourages kids also to look out for healthy options in food.
Sort of showing the kids that you can do it the healthy way in today's day and age instead of junk food. It's a good idea.
If they start early and they know what's good to eat and what's not to, they can maybe have a healthy life going forward.
The best part is that I'll have a little helper in my kitchen now, and plus she will look forward at what's going in her tiffin, and she may spring an idea that, Mom, why don't you put this? So I'm very happy that Westin and Ajay came up with this idea of having kids to make their own tiffin for school.
ऐसे एक्सटेंसिव कुकिंग सेशन के बाद वी आर श्योर कि बच्चे खुद अपने टिफिन को देंगे एक मजेदार ट्विस्ट.
फूड के सारे दर्शकों को इस सीजन की बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, बहुत सारी ग्रीटिंग्स.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम प्रेरणा वनवारी है. मैं अपने दर्शकों को ये संदेश देना चाहूँगी कि गणेश उत्सव के इस मौके पर बहुत सारा प्यार बांटो. गणपति बाप्पा मोरया.